Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to GoSaaS Launch. In today's video, we're gonna see how to start an AI agency. So, without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to show you how to profit big from one of the most underrated tools in digital marketing right now, GoHighLevel. If you don't know what GoHighLevel is, it's a all-in-one SaaS platform that's packed up with features and honestly, I don't know how most people aren't even attention to this software. It's pretty awesome. So whether you're a agency owner, freelancer, or just someone looking for a smart income stream, this video is for you. All right. So first thing first, please scroll down this video. Check out here in the description of the video, and you're gonna look for this, activate your free trial. Please click on this link. It's gonna take you to this landing page. By the way, this landing page or funnel was built within GoHighLevel. All right, so GoHighLevel is pretty awesome that it allows you to build these websites. And guess what? I'm not even a website designer. Okay, we'll see how these websites are being built in within the GoHighLevel website builder. All right, so you want to click here, start your free trial right now. I'm gonna I'm gonna I'm gonna start with test data. All right, I'm using this one for just for these video purposes. I'm using testing information. So go as test user at gmail.com. So please, very important, fill this up with your real information so you can get the free trial. So make sure you put your first name and your proper email address. All right. So we're going to get the free trial. Sorry. All right. Now we are going to land into this page. This is the high level official signed up page. So you're going to get a 3 days free trial. And not only that, you're going to get a free live bootcamp. All right. This bootcamp is going to be full of all what you need to know to start making money with GoHighLevel. All the testimonials here, I mean, it's pretty awesome. So you're not just getting a 30 days free trial to try out the software. You get the 5-day reviews challenge course. You get the SaaSpreneur playbook, high level snapshots. You're gonna learn what a snapshot is. Funnels is the previous page where we landed before, the one that we was the one that was built on GoHighLevel. So please, before proceeding, fill up this form. Sign up for your free trial so you can get a better understanding of what we are going to do. All right. Okay. So let's continue. All right. We're gonna see reputation management in within GoHighLevel. The reputation manager is a feature. This feature automatically requests reviews, manages Google listings, and filter bad feedback. So you can offer this as an standalone service or a bundle it into a premium package. Either way, it's going to help you make money. There's money on the table with this feature. So why do we know it's important? All right, local business owners needs to build trust and credibility. All right, so Google Maps review helps with social proof. So positive reviews on Google Maps serves as social proof, which can help build trust and credibility among potential customers. How many times, like this one, influencing customers' decision, how many times have you searched for something in Google Maps that has drove a decision for the reviews? All right, multiple times. You are either looking for a restaurant, a hotel, any car detailing, dentist, plumbing services, anything. You, it's pretty much all of us. Talking about myself too, we look in the Google Map for the business that has the best reviews, and that's where we take our money, right? We are bringing our money. So this is a huge competitive advantage when uh, a local business a local business uses Google Maps the right way. All right, so let's continue. This is the GoHighLevel dashboard. We've seen this before. As you can see, we white label it with our agency. That's the beauty of GoHighLevel. Like, we are using their whole infrastructure under our brand. So let's go to the left panel menu, and we're going to go down here to reputation. All right. Next this is going to be pretty simple. All right. So we click on reputation. We click send review request. We are going to select who do we want to send this review request. All right. This is our test user. By default, okay, we're gonna show email. By default, GoHighLevel provides a template for the review. I'm gonna leave it as is right now for the purposes of this video. So I'm gonna leave it as is. But if you wanna modify it, you're more than welcome. All you have to do is to go to marketing. All right, in our left panel menu, marketing, emails, templates, and it's going to be created as default email. Right, you can click on this and you can modify it. Right, pretty simple. I'm gonna leave it as is right now, just for the purposes of this video. So again, we go to reputation, send review request. We are going to select the user, our client that we want to request the review, select email. By the way, this is a manual way to request a review. However, we're gonna find out later how to do it automatically. All right, all I have to do right now is to send review request. Awesome. Now we are going to go to my email, my test email, the one we are using. So as you can see, I just received the email. Would you recommend us? And here it is. As you can see, I have received the email. All I have to do is to click here, write a review. Hello, test user. Thank you for choosing Go SaaS Launch. We hope your recent experience exceed your expectation, blah, blah. So this link should take to the business owner Maps account. Right now, this is not connected. It's going to take me to my to our landing page, as you can see. But the idea, I mean, it's already there. It needs to take to the business Google Maps. All right, this is pretty simple. I hope you like this. This was pretty straightforward, as you can see. It's pretty intuitive, this platform, so that's why I really love this. Conclusion. All right, with GoHighLevel, you're not just reselling software, you're helping businesses to grow, while at the same time you're building your own monthly recurring revenue stream. If you did like this video, please subscribe, click the like button and the bell so you can get notification with newer videos, and see you on the next one.